Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a very simple method to earn Ethereum cryptocurrency using DeepSeek. This method works by automatically processing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and collecting profits in the form of transaction fees. I've written a script with DeepSeek to automate this process. In this video, I'll introduce a new method and reveal my earnings at the end of the video. Now let's take it to continue in a new tab. So click on the Open a New Tab button. Step 3. Connect the Metamask wallet. In this step, we will establish the connection between our source code and Metamask. To do this, click on the Connect Metamask button. Step 4. Deploy contract. To mine Ethereum and interact with liquidity pools, you need to create a smart contract. In this step, we will generate our contract. For this, click on the Deploy Contract button. Step 5. Attach our wallet to Smart Contract. In this step, we will connect the contract we just created to our MetaMask wallet. To do this, we need to open our second MetaMask account. We open our MetaMask wallet and follow these steps. Go to Account 1. Click on Add Account or Hardware Wallet and add a new Ethereum account. Enter the name for your second wallet. I will name the account Account 2. In a moment, we will transfer our liquidity to the newly created wallet. To do this, we need to attach our contract with Account 2. Now copy the address of Account 2, the newly created MetaMask wallet, and paste it into the software. And click Attach button. Step 6. Confirm and send liquidity. And now, as the final step before mining, we will transfer our liquidity to the contract address we created and connected our wallet to. There's no need to worry about this part. We're simply transferring our liquidity to the newly created Account 2 address, and we'll continue the mining process in the new wallet. Click on the Confirm Send Ethereum button. In the newly opened tab, we need to confirm the liquidity transfer. At this step, our funds will be transferred to the newly created Account 2 address. Click the Confirm button and liquidity transfer is processing, and the liquidity transfer will take average 10 to 60 seconds to complete. And our transfer is confirmed. Now we are ready for mining. Step 7. Start the mining. At this stage, you can see the mining interface of the software. All the necessary indicators are available here. This way, you can track in detail which liquidity pools you are using, the methods applied, and exactly how much you have earned. If you're ready, let's start the mining process, and once it's completed, we will analyze the data together. Since the mining process will take a long time, I will speed up the video shortly. But before that, let's verify through Metamask that our approved liquidity has been successfully transferred to the Account 2 address. As you can see, the liquidity is now in Account 2. Now I speed up the video for 1 hour, and once the mining process is complete, we will analyze the results together. And yes, our 1 hour mining session is now complete. Now, let's analyze the results together. Step 8, mining results. We have earned a total of 0.24 Ethereum. Now let's withdraw our profit to our account. I'm copying the address from Account 1 and pasting it into the withdraw section. At this stage, I recommend withdrawing your profit to Account 1 while keeping your liquidity in Account 2 at all times. We made a total of 203 attempts, out of which 20 were successful, earning us 0.24 Ethereum. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, after mining, you can analyze all your data through this interface. For example, in this mining session, we earned the most Ethereum using the Add Liquidity method. If you like long-term reporting, you can download all your data as an Excel file to your computer by clicking the Download Data button in the bottom left corner. And now we've reached the best part. Let's withdraw our profit to our account. Click the Withdraw button, and the withdraw transfer will take average 10 to 30 seconds to complete. We're waiting for the transfer to be confirmed. The equivalent of 0.24 Ethereum, which is $665, is now in our account, and the funds have arrived in our account. To provide proof, we can now check the transaction details on Etherscan if you'd like, and yes, we can see our profit on Etherscan as well. You can check all block numbers and transactions for verification. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe right now. Lastly, I want to show you my profit on Metamask as well. As you can see, my profit is in account 1, and the initial liquidity we deposited is still in account 2. I made $665 in 1 hour with my $2,770 liquidity, and my total balance is $3,435. Now, if you have high liquidity balance, you can make more profit. Your earnings depend on your liquidity. Yes, friends. In this video, I did my best to show you the new Ethereum mining method I discovered. I hope you liked it. The process is quite simple to apply, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. You can support me by subscribing to the channel as a way of saying thanks. See you in the next videos. Take care and goodbye.